If you're about to write a six-figure check for physical gold, there are 3 questions you need to ask before a single dollar moves. Last episode, we talked about the new guidance from Morgan Stanley that says if you have a $500,000 portfolio, 100 grand should be in gold. So when you go to make that move, how do you evaluate which gold dealer to go with? Here's the first question to know. What are you actually paying? This question has more layers than most people realize, and the layers compound significantly on a 6-figure position. If you're using a gold IRA to structure a position of this size, some dealers will dance around the various fees they attach to it. The custodian setup fee, account maintenance fees, storage fees. Most gold IRA companies charge fees as basis points, a percentage of your total holdings. That sounds small until your metals double or triple in value. It's worth mentioning that Noble Gold has a flat annual fee of $285, even if your position is worth millions. And hey, if you're enjoying this content so far, please take a quick moment to like and subscribe. It really helps. Okay, question 2. What are you actually buying? A lot of dealers push what they call rare or semi-numismatic coins. These fractional coins let them obscure the actual price per ounce once you're paying. Stick to standard investment grade bullion, American Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, recognized gold bars, transparent pricing. Established buyback markets, that's what you want, and that's all Noble Gold does. All right, here's the last big question. How can you access your metal? Start with asking where your metal physically lives, which depository, what's the address, and whether you can visit. Ask if your vault will be segregated or pooled. Segregated means you have specific bars with specific serial numbers sitting there in your name. Pooled or unallocated means your metal is part of a communal pile. That's not really ownership. You should ask what the process and buyback rate is if you ever need to sell. If a dealer has the right answers to these questions, it's a great starting point to consider making a significant gold investment like 100 grand. Thousands of precious metals investors have turned to Noble Gold because they do things the right way. Transparent flat fees, investment grade bullion, segregated bars you can actually visit, the highest buyback rate in the industry. Consider giving them a call. And if you want more practical insight from people who understand the precious metals market and how to navigate it, please like and subscribe.